Hello, everybody. Welcome to Teeny Tiny Grammar, brought to you by Blazing Wits. Today's topic is if versus whether. Just like who versus whom, if and whether should not be interchangeably used in most situations. कभी कभी use हो सकते हैं, and we'll discuss when and how. Okay? All right. Difference क्या है? Use if in a conditional sentence to show that one thing will happen if something else happens. अगर ये होता है तो वो होता है. तो देखो अगर आ गया और अगर आ गया मतलब if use किया जा सकता है. Use whether to show that two alternatives are possible or available or two choices are available. जब आपके पास दो options होते हैं तो आप whether use कीजिए. Example देखते हैं. Nigel doesn't know if he is fired. सही है गलत है? देखो दिख रहा है स्क्रीन पे. गलत है. एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट. बिकॉज यहाँ पे उसे पता नहीं है कि वो उसे जॉब से निकाला जा चुका है या नहीं निकाला जा चुका है. तो यहाँ पे हम क्या यूज करेंगे? Nigel doesn't know whether he is fired. There are two options, right? The original sentence should read Nigel doesn't know whether he is fired. The word whether indicates that two alternatives are possible. May or may not be fired. Another example. Bill cannot remember if he locked the door. उसे याद नहीं है अगर उसने दरवाजा बंद किया है या उसने दरवाजा बंद किया है. To test whether sentence A is a true conditional, will reverse its order. देखते हैं. If Bill locked the door, he cannot remember. Does it make sense? No, it doesn't. This makes no sense. Sentence B must be the best answer, which is Bill cannot remember whether he locked the door. और इसको भी उल्टा करके देख लो. Whether he locked the door, he cannot remember. ठीक है ना? कि उसने दरवाजा बंद किया या नहीं किया उसे याद नहीं है. Okay, both if and whether are used in reporting questions which expect yes or no as an answer. अगर आपके answers yes or no हो, questions के answers अगर yes or no हो तो आप if या whether use कर सकते हैं. Interchangeably use कर सकते हैं. देखते हैं. She asked if or whether I wanted a drink. दोनों ही सही है. Okay. Whether sounds more natural with particular verbs such as discuss, consider, decide. Okay. When a choice is offered between alternatives, if or whether can be used. We didn't know if or whether we should write or phone. अच्छा, remember मैंने कहा है if or whether can be used, लेकिन मैंने ये नहीं कहा कि should be used. Okay. If से अच्छा ऑप्शन हमेशा whether रहेगा. Whether is usually considered more formal and more suitable for written English. बोलने के समय आप if whether दोनों use कर सकते हो, but when you write, please choose whether. एक और example लेते हैं. Bill cannot remember if he locked the door. We've already taken a look at this. Some sentences with if. अब यहाँ से मैंने जो लिया है sentences mention किए हैं. They're all from Oxford Learners Dictionaries, one of the best resources in the world as far as your grammar and your vocab is concerned. Do check it out. Link मैंने यहाँ पे provide कर दिया है. Okay. So first rule, use to say that one thing can, will or might happen or be true depending on another thing happening or being true. So यहाँ पे there are so many options using if. सारे के सारे rules एक ही हैं. So you can just take a look. Second में when, whenever, every time के लिए आप use करते हो. If जैसे if metal gets hot, it expands. Third, used after ask, know, find out, wonder, etc. Do you know if she's married? I wonder if I should wear a coat or not. तो wonder ये सब के साथ आप if use कर सकते हो. I wonder if I'll ever be a millionaire. Used after verbs or adjectives expressing feelings. I'm sorry if I disturbed you. अगर मैंने तुम्हें disturb किया तो मैं माफी मांगता हूँ. Used to admit that something is possible, but to say that it is not very important. If she has any weakness, it is her Italian. तो देखो सारे same है. Even if you go through these sentences, they all mean the same. तो ध्यान से देखिएगा. watch the video again and you will be able to play it according to your speed. Okay. Some sentences with whether, do he hai. There are not too many ways of writing whether, so आप ज़्यादा confused नहीं होंगे. The first one is used to express a doubt or choice between two possibilities. He seemed undecided whether to go or stay. It remains to be seen whether or not this idea can be put into practice. I asked him whether he had done it all himself or whether someone had helped him. देखो दो बार whether use हुआ है. अगर दो choices आप use कर सकते हो, if use मत करना, that's most important. Then I will see whether she is at home or not at home, or not at home लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. और वहीं से I will come back to the second statement. देखो or not लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. If you write this, it is redundant. मतलब आप बिना मतलब के किसी वर्ड को excessively use करते हो जहाँ पे उनकी जरूरत है ही नहीं. Okay? तो अगर second sentence को better way में लिखना है तो it remains to be seen whether this idea can be put into practice. इसके बारे में rules and explanations है आगे. Fifth sentence, it's doubtful whether there will be any seats left. और not लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. I hope these points are clear. We'll go to the next page. Used to show that something is true in either of two cases. जैसे कि you are entitled to a free gift whether you accept our offer of insurance or not. Once again, or not लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. Another application of whether, ध्यान दीजिएगा, whether or not. हमने कुछ questions देखे हैं whether not से related. Now understand, जब whether लिख के आप एक option देते हो और दूसरा option not होता है तो you don't need to use the not. With whether, use or in a sentence only when two choices are available. दो examples हैं. I want to know whether you will return my money now or further delay the payment. देखो इसमें दो अलग अलग options हैं, that's why आप और use करते हो. लेकिन जब खाली not लिखना है तो you don't need to use it. I want to know whether you will return my money now. अब और not नहीं लिखोगे because इसका मतलब हो गया or not. So implied है, that's why you don't need to use it. Okay, we hope you liked the session and understood as well. कभी अगर कोई problem हो, you can write to us and we will send you amazing content, questions, notes, whatever you like. You can also reach out to us on our phone number by calling us, sending us a message or a message on WhatsApp. Okay. Do remember to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.